You can already tell my trunk space is being taken over by the stroller because I got 2 kiddos now, but yeah. Alright, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'll be installing the trunk dome light, well, spotlight, that is basically for the tailgate, of the GX. You probably heard that bump. That's just my cardboard that hit the GX because it is super windy outside. Troller's taking over the trunk space. That's what happens when you have kids. But as you can see, the GX already has a spotlight for the trunk. It's these little lights right here, one on the left and then the other on the right. It's super bright, but I've noticed whenever it's nighttime and I open up my tailgate for the trunk, sometimes it's a little dark to see. Even though there's already a dome light right here, it does, you know, it'd be nice to kind of like have a little spotlight right here. I've seen like the NX have an option for this especially. I was really thinking that the NX would kind of like interchange with this right here, but I think the GX has a more bigger space right here. So the good thing is that there is aftermarket lights that do make it for the GX, so that's a good sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It should be a simple installation based on this guide right here. Seems like I mean, as you can already tell, I already have this right here, which is the buttons to close and open the gate, and then pretty much have to like pry open the plastic piece out and then fish the wiring through that gap right there, and then that's how I believe it connects to the buttons to open the tailgate. And then once that's done, it is complete. So it should be a simple step. So the box does come with everything. Has the connection right here. Has a zip ties, extra zip ties I believe, and then has a prior tool, and then I believe this is another alternative prior tool as well, but probably won't really need it, but we'll see. And then of course the light right here. This has a little pry area right here, a little gap. Just stick this plastic piece in. So it seems like, yeah, I might have to actually use this. Let's see. There we go. There's a slight tension to it, but not the worst. And then the next thing to pry out will be the buttons for the tailgate. I'm not sure because it's cold outside right now. It's making it a little harder to remove. You know, when plastic gets a little bit more sturdy when it comes to like, especially when it's like summer, it's like super easy. It just snaps off. But I don't know how much effect temperature really has. I want to say it does because it's cold. So I would just be gentle with it, and then voila, it comes out. Fingers are like freezing. Supposedly right now it's like almost like 40 degrees, 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's cold. especially with the wind. Just makes it a lot more cold. Another thing that I also need to remove is this little white plastic piece out. There's just like 3 areas you gotta pry out. Very simple. Comes out, and I believe is this first button, which is this first cable right here, that I will have to basically connect to this female right here, and then this will go, actually, how does this work? Let me find that. All right, I got it. Had like a small little brain fart right there. But anyways, so this is the dome light right here for the trunk that connects to this, and then this back end right here. This is where, once I remove this right here, I'll connect it to the female right here, and then this is the new connection that will go right here, basically like replacing this with this guy. And then I'll just have to fish the other end of the cable through here in order to connect to the dome light. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pry this guy out. That's it. Connect it right here. Connect it to this guy. That's it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just test it out, just to make sure it is working as intended. So I'm gonna just go ahead and connect this guy here, and then voila. It is actually really bright. So apparently this has like an auto dim as well, or also you could kind of like adjust the lighting by holding it. So you kind of see it's dimming, and then I believe if you hold it again, it'll be to the brightest setting, which is super bright actually. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna look once it's like fully dark outside, and how bright it's gonna give me of a radius on the floor. This is where I fished this little wiring through that area right there. Because you can't really fish it through here, because that's where that will basically like insert. So the only place really you can fish it through is again through here. With the whole zip tie, I know it came with zip ties, but I believe that is optional, because there's a lot of space in there. I might zip tie this guy to this guy, just so it doesn't like shake too much or rattles while I'm driving the GX. And then, oh, of course, I'm gonna put back the white plastic piece that was here. Oh, actually, this goes like this. Seems like it is in. Got the 2 zip ties in there, so all I have to do is just assemble this back together. So yeah, again, there's no really right way or wrong way to do this, as long as the wirings are nicely tucked in there. So, and then for this to go back in, it'll just snap in, and that is it. It is currently dark now, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the tailgate. Sheesh, it is super bright. As you can see, you can pretty much see my whole trunk inside. Gives it a nice lighting to it. So it looks good so far. So I'm gonna try to move the GX somewhere where it's a lot more dark with not that much lights around. I do have a lot of, Christmas lights and all that. And of course my garage light. So just to show you guys how bright this dome light is. And it is currently at the highest setting right now. This is the best spot that I found that was really dark, not that much lighting around. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the trunk now. You guys shall see how bright it is. Oh man, I gotta open. Oh, I gotta unlock the doors. Let's see. All right, give it another shot. There we go. Oof. Oh yeah, this definitely does have a big radius of lighting. As you can see, I'm backing up a little bit more. And this is from the side view of the GX. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a better view of me holding it up. But yeah, you can see how with great lighting it does give it. And this is at the highest settings too. So this is at the lowest setting. And it doesn't beam too much. Mid setting for the brightness, I believe. Oh. All right, there we go. So I believe that's the mid settings right there. Still gives a nice like spotlight. I think this is a really nice spotlight right here, especially if like, you know, don't want it to be that bright, especially, and strain your eyes with the brightness and all that. But I'm gonna set it back at the most brightest, and I believe that is it. And there you go. That is the most brightest setting right there. And the dome light does automatically turn off once the tailgate is completely closed. Just go ahead and lock it, close it. I'm just gonna show you guys from the window. It is off. So yeah, guys, that is really it for today's video. Just kind of wanted to show you guys a quick installation on the tailgate dome light. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look out for more videos. I plan to probably still see what other mods I can get for the GX. Obviously, I do want wheels for the GX. That'd be nice, but just gotta see, you know, what's more important first, of course. But look out for more videos, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace.